Water is the #1 enemy of wood because it makes wood crack, rot, and it costs a lot of money to fix. But at LumberGrand, we believe that your furniture deserves to last a lifetime. Today we're going to show you 3 classic ways to make your wood waterproof just like the pros do. First, use natural oils. Tung, Linseed, or Danish oils soak deep into the wood. They're a tried and true way to protect wood from the inside out while keeping your wood beautiful and natural feeling. If you want to protect your wood gently without any harsh chemicals or strong smells, natural oils are one of the best choices, especially if you have kids or pets around. Second, consider using wood sealers like polyurethane, marine varnish, or lacquer. These products create some of the strongest barriers against water that you can get. The downside is your wood won't feel as natural as it used to be, but you'll get protection that lasts for years. For high traffic areas or outdoor projects where failure is not an option, synthetic sealers are worth their weight in gold. Finally, let's talk about waterproof paint. Sometimes you want to change your wood's color and protect it at the same time. Then, waterproof paint is a great choice. It lets you do both jobs at once. With waterproof paint, you get both color and strong moisture protection. You can choose from acrylic-based waterproof paint, oil-based coatings, or stain and sealer combinations. These options work well for outdoor furniture, decks, and siding. You cannot make wood completely waterproof, but you can make it very resistant to water. The best way to protect wood is to apply a penetrating wood sealer, then a high-quality exterior wood stain or paint. Take care of your wood furniture. Pick the right method for your project, and your wood will thank you. For detailed step-by-step instructions, please visit our website and read the article via the link in the description.